Sandy Ingram here. Welcome. I have safely returned from South America. It was just over 9 hours and two flights to fly from southern part of Brazil to Mexico City. I was fortunate enough to find a tiny house within steps from the beach for under $300 a month, 2 hours south of Mexico City. This is where I will be for several months. Now for more important news. This is really great news for Iraq. Iraq now has its first robot powered factory. The factory cost 12 million US dollars and is located in southern Iraq. The factory relies on robots to increase production, improve quality, and reduce errors. The robots are from Germany. The Investment Commission and economists in Iraq are happy with the investment and believe this type of investment can provide a diversified stream of income for Iraq. In the image, you see the high performance adhesive and liquids used in construction. A couple of viewers made comments about negative news versus good news from Iraq. The channel is a news reporting channel. We report the news that is closely associated with the Iraqi economy and news that directly relates to the revalue, float, or adjustment of the Iraqi dinar against the US dollar. Guys, when you hear and see the news and efforts Iraq is making to become financially independent, you may want to do the same thing for yourself. Buy gold and build additional streams of income.